A lot of people see all of these internet entrepreneurs that are on Instagram or whatever social channel, and you think that these guys are just living this vacation lifestyle, running a business, making money, getting all these Stripe notifications nonstop on their phone. And there may be a piece of that, but entrepreneurship is not glamorous. So I am currently in Helsinki, Finland, and it is 11:47 p.m. And I have been sitting here on my tablet for the past few hours on Zoom calls back to back, because back home, it is currently 4:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which means the workday is still going on. And so there's still clients that need me or want to work with me. And so there's tons of things that I need to be working on right now. So if you're an entrepreneur, you probably know this already. You know that it's not an easy cakewalk. But if you're somebody that's not started a business and you're currently working somewhere and you're just unhappy, understand the fact that your life is not going to get easier. It's just going to be different. So running a business means you work whenever you have to, but there is some freedom. So because I own my own company, all day today, I was walking around. I started out in Estonia, took a ferry to Finland, and then walked around Helsinki. So I got to choose what I was going to do today. But that also meant that it's about to be midnight and I've been working for several hours. So the work has to get done. And when you're the business owner, heaviest is the head that wears the crown. You've got to do it all or make sure that it gets done. I've got a team back home that is handling everything. I've got standard operating procedures that defines exactly what they need to be doing and how I want it done. But that doesn't remove the fact that there's still work sometimes that is going to fall on me. And so it's my responsibility to do that. So if you're somebody that has been wanting to start a business and you feel like your life's going to be easier or you're going to make a ton of money, it's not necessarily wrong. So my company that I started originally called C4 Solutions, I owned an insurance agency. I sold it, burned the boats, and decided to go all in on this company. Within 6 months, I was making legitimate money, like easily crossed the 10-figure or 10,000 a month number. And so I was making enough to live and living a comfortable lifestyle and having a lot of fun. Started getting to travel and really get to enjoy. So you can really quickly start making the money that you'd hoped for. But the difference for me was I had a 6-month plan. So I have this 7-foot wide whiteboard in my office. And I mapped out in 6 months how I was going to build a business that ran without me and met all of my income goals. I listed out what my dream life looked like. Where do I go every day? What do I eat? What do I wear? What do I spend money on? Do I spend money on rent? How much do I spend on food? How much do I spend on the gym, etc.? Add everything up, get all of your final numbers, and then back into it. Hey, if I need to make, let's say your number's 20 grand a month, how many clients do I need to get so that I make 20 grand a month in profit? And then just back into the activity. And whatever activity numbers you decide on, double it, triple it, whatever it is, make it so that it is unreasonable for you not to become successful. And so for me, I needed to connect with as many insurance agents as possible because I was selling virtual assistants to insurance agencies. And so I started a Facebook group. We hosted weekly calls. I'd actually started the Facebook group beforehand, but we got on all of these calls. I was networking with people. I was trying to give out as much value as I could because I wanted my face everywhere for an insurance agent online because I wanted them to start working with me. And then I started running ads. I really put faith in myself. And so if you're wanting to get into the world of entrepreneurship, just understand you're going to have not glamorous times. So yeah, had I been posting on social media all day today, you would think I'm living this lavish lifestyle, just walking around Finland, getting to enjoy the Christmas markets, which I did. But also, while a lot of people here would be sleeping, I'm working. And so now my mind is still in gear and I'm going to be up for the next few hours. But that's the price I'm paying to get to live the life that I want. I wouldn't choose anything else. I don't want somebody else telling me when I need to clock in and clock out or telling me the tasks to work on. I define exactly what the highest priority tasks are for me and my business. So entrepreneurship's the route that I chose. I hope you choose it as well. It is truly liberating and one of the greatest things on this planet. The American dream is still alive. You can still do it. Just understand it takes a lot of work. So that's my advice to you. Go out and make a plan of exactly what it costs to live your ideal lifestyle and then back into it. And if you need any help, click the link below. Schedule a free call with me or my team. We will walk you through a strategy session. I will not charge you for it. I'll make sure that there's no hard pitch at the end from myself or any team members. We genuinely would love the opportunity to help you. And if it makes sense to work with us, great. But we're not going to force you into anything. So hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.